As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, a concerning trend has emerged: AI bias. It's a topic that's no longer relegated to the realm of science fiction. It's a harsh reality that affects millions worldwide. From hiring processes to law enforcement, AI bias rears its head in the most unexpected places. But what's even more concerning is the long-term consequences of AI bias on our society. The dark side of AI bias is no longer a topic for debate. It's a harsh reality that affects our daily lives. We've all heard the horror stories of AI systems perpetuating racist, sexist, and discriminatory biases. But what's even more alarming is the way AI bias can be subtly embedded into our systems, often without us even realizing it. For instance, studies have shown that AI-powered hiring systems can discriminate against candidates based on their name, address, or even their social media profiles. This is not just a matter of technical error. It's a reflection of the biases that exist within our society. And it's not just hiring systems that are affected. AI bias can also be found in law enforcement, where facial recognition systems have been shown to be disproportionately accurate for certain racial groups. But what's even more concerning is the way AI bias can be used to manipulate and control people. For instance, AI-powered propaganda machines can be used to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. And it's not just governments that are affected. AI bias can also be used by corporations to manipulate consumers and influence their purchasing decisions.
As we delve deeper into the world of AI bias, it's essential to understand the root causes of this phenomenon. One of the primary reasons AI bias exists is due to the data that's used to train these systems. If the data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. This is often referred to as the garbage in, garbage out problem. But AI bias is not just a matter of data. It's also a reflection of the biases that exist within our society. For instance, studies have shown that AI systems can perpetuate racist and sexist biases simply by reflecting the biases that exist within the data. This is not just a matter of technical error. It's a reflection of the systemic inequalities that exist within our society. To address AI bias, we need to rethink the way we design and train these systems. We need to use diverse and inclusive datasets that reflect the complexity of human experience. We also need to implement robust testing and validation procedures to ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased.
One of the most contentious issues surrounding AI bias is the question of accountability. Who is responsible for ensuring that AI systems are fair and unbiased? Is it the developers who create these systems, or is it the companies that deploy them? Some argue that developers have a moral obligation to ensure that their systems are fair and unbiased. Others argue that companies have a responsibility to ensure that their systems are used in a way that's fair and unbiased. But what about the users who interact with these systems? Don't they have a responsibility to ensure that they're not perpetuating AI bias? As we navigate this complex web of accountability, it's essential to recognize that AI bias is not just a technical issue. It's a human rights crisis. We need to rethink the way we approach AI development and deployment, and we need to prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability.
As we look to the future, it's clear that AI bias will only continue to grow in importance. With the increasing use of AI in various industries, it's essential to prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. We need to develop AI systems that are inclusive and diverse, and we need to ensure that these systems are used in a way that's fair and unbiased. One potential solution is to develop AI systems that are designed to detect and mitigate bias. These systems can use machine learning algorithms to identify and correct for bias, ensuring that AI systems are fair and unbiased. Another potential solution is to develop new forms of AI that are designed to be more transparent and explainable. As we continue to explore the future of AI, it's essential to prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. We need to recognize that AI bias is not just a technical issue. It's a human rights crisis. And we need to take action to address this crisis before it's too late.
So what can you do to help address the issue of AI bias? First, you can start by educating yourself on the topic. Learn about the root causes of AI bias and the potential solutions. You can also support organizations that are working to address AI bias, such as the AI Now Institute. But most importantly, you can take action. You can use your voice to demand that companies prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability in their AI systems. You can hold your leaders accountable for ensuring that AI systems are fair and unbiased. And you can demand that policymakers take action to regulate AI systems and prevent AI bias. So, let's take action today. Let's work together to address the issue of AI bias and create a more just and equitable society for all. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and its impact on society.